Hi, my name is Kate, and if you are looking for more information about Synapse XT, in this video I'll tell you everything you need to know before actually buying Synapse XT. So stay with me until the end of this video because I have some important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about this product is, be careful with the website you're going to buy Synapse XT from, because this product is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link down below in the description of this video. So, what is Synapse XT and does it actually works? And the answer is yes. Synapse XT is a dietary supplement that aims to put an end to tinnitus relief, brings together 8 powerful ingredients that work in synergy to help support brain and hearing health. This product support hearing, memory, and focus, support the communication between cells to minimize signs of brain fatigue, support perception of senses and sounds, transform life with clear thinking and hearing. The ingredients are of the best quality available worldwide, and this formula is carefully crafted at a GMP-certified facility. Other benefits of Synapse XT are hearing boost, memory and focus boost, tinnitus benefits. These results are possible because of a formula developed with natural products made up of a combination of herbs, vitamins, and natural components. Some ingredients of Synapse XT are hibiscus, garlic, hawthorn berry, rosemary, riboflavin. So yes, you can trust that Synapse XT works. There are many people having great results, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each metabolism will react in a unique way, and results varies between individuals. I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test Synapse XT for 60 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. In addition, Synapse XT have free shipping if you buy 3 or more bottles, and on the official website customers can save a lot by opting for these exclusive discounts. Also, for Synapse XT to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. Taken at breakfast, allowing it to work slowly within the body all day long to get the relief desired. It's good for you to know that it is a natural product and it's not common side effects to any of the ingredients in Synapse XT. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy Synapse XT from, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Guys, that was all information I wanted to share in this video. I really hope I've helped you here, and if you have any questions, please leave down below in the comments, that I'll be really glad to help you, or if you want to know more information, you can find here down below on the official website. I really hope I've helped you here. Thank you so much.